up guys, Dassahmariee here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a giveaway video. I'm so excited, you guys. So I partnered up with RC Toys and they're hosting a giveaway for this set that I'm about to show you guys. So when they reached out to me and they wanted to send this to me, I was super excited because I do have 2 kids. I have a daughter that's 4 right now, and this is like perfect for her. We can't go to the beach right now, but she is able to take them in the bath with her, so I'm super excited for that. And I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what's in the giveaway. So in order to enter this giveaway, you have to make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Make sure you like this video. I put the link in the description box where you can enter. You have to enter through that link. And this giveaway will be going for 30 days starting today, the day that the video is posted. And they will be picking a winner every 3 days. And the company is RC Toys. So every 3 days, it will be picked by random. This giveaway is only for US residents. So make sure you guys are in the US if you guys do want to enter. And they will be contacting the winners by email. So make sure when you enter through the link below that you do put your email address in there, or they cannot contact you for your prize. So good luck, you guys, and I hope that you guys enjoy this giveaway. See you guys in my next video.